Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel that is EducateZilla. EducateZilla is providing you the best material to learn and improve yourself in technology. So today we will going to learn data types in C and it's the third part of C programming language. So let's see today's agenda. So today we will going to cover data types in C, basic data types, keywords in C, keywords types. So let's start with data types in C. Data types in C or data types specify the type of data that a variable can store, such as integer, float, character, etc. Data types meanings the type of the variable that you are going to store. Fine, if you want to store 0, 1, 2, 3, for that you need this data type, that is integer type. If you want to store some floating numbers, for example 0 0.4, 1.4, 3.6, for that you need a float data type to store your floating values. If you want to store some characters, for that you need to mention character means A, B, C, D, and don't forget to use single semicolon, single inverted comma for that, and don't forget to write semicolon after your code. If you want to watch these characters floating integer, please watch my last video of data types. So here are the types of data. First one is basic data, second is derived, third is enumeration, fourth is void. We will going to learn these data types one by one. Now there are the following data types in C language. Types and data types. Basic data types. In basic data types, int, char, float, double are there. Float is, as I told you, 6.4, 4.3. But if you want to use some bigger value, for example, 12.1234, 3.0000, for that you need double. Now the second one is derived data type. In derived data type, we have array, pointers, structure, union. These all are the derived data type, and these all are the big topics that we will going to cover in our video. So please follow my this playlist to watch all these topics in C programming language. Third one is enumeration data type. In enumeration, we have enum. We will going to learn this one also. Void data type, in which void, this won't return anything. This will going to return nothing. In integer data type, this will going to return 0, character will going to return char, float will going to return float, double going to return double. But if in any case you don't want to return anything, you should go with void. Now basic data types. What are the basic data types we're going to learn? The basic data types are integer based and floating point based. C language supports both signed and unsigned literals. The memory size of the basic data types may change according to 32 and 62-bit operating system. Because we have two types of operating system. First one is 32-bit and second one is 64-bit. So our size of data types varies according to this bits that we will going to see here. Let's see the basic data types. It says is given according to 32-bit architecture. You know, guys, in 64-bit architecture, this size may vary. Not completely, but yeah, small variation can have. So here data types is char is given, its memory size is 1, range is 128 to 127 minus. Guys, this table is very much important for you if you are preparing for the interview perspective or for the common exams. For that, this other question that may ask in objective type or in verbally. Fine. So in that you need to remember this char, this integer that contains 2 bytes, and this long, and this float and double. These are the 4 data types that is important to you to remember the memory size and range of it. So please learn this. This four only you need to know. First one is char. Second one is integer, that is int, which contains 2 byte in 34-bit, 32-bit architecture. And third one is long and float double. Fine. So now the next topic is keywords in C. So a keyword is a reserved word. You cannot use it as a variable name, constant name, etc. There are only 32 reserved word in keywords in C language. As I taught you in my previous video about the reserved keywords. So these are the keywords that is reserved. We cannot use it as a variable, means we cannot assign any value in that reserved keyword. Otherwise, it will give you an error and your code will not convert in an object code. A list of 32 keywords in the C language is given below. Here is the list. Auto is the keyword, break is the keyword, case, char, const, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, extern. Extern we have learned. Extern, I talked about this keyword in my last video, so please watch my last video for that keyword. Float also I talked about in my last video. For, go to, if, int, long, register, return, short, signed, size of, static, struct, switch, type def, union, unsigned, void, volatile, and the last one is while. These reserved keywords contain some loops, some variable name, uh, some data types name, and mainly loop. Breaking the loop, we use break. So we will going to cover all this keyword in my further video of Educatezilla. So for now, this is enough to you guys to learn this topic. Just try to write the main sizes that I told you about: int, byte, int, char, long, float, and double. And that's it for today's video, guys. Please watch my all the video for better understanding the C programming language, and I will going to post some more video on that. So for now, today, thank you for all to watch my video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment on my video. If you are facing any issue related to any subject, please write it in a comment box. I will definitely going to post that video. So guys, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.